everyone, my name is Alif and you are watching Data with the Alif channel, where we will learn the data analysis from the scratch, from the beginning. And if you have not watched my previous lectures, I would like to request you all to go through all my previous lectures, so that you may understand part by part of how to work with the data analysis. So this is the basic course, so that you may understand a beginners friendly course. You may understand how to work with the data analysis in 2026. So we have what we will do today. We will have our lecture is about HLOOKUP. So in HLOOKUP, sometimes you will find out some horizontal tables which you have to deal with, and you have to work with the functions of HLOOKUP. So okay, so you will not find everywhere the VLOOKUP vertical tables. What we are going to do, we have a data set of cities, and with the population, order quantity, order value, per capita investment. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy it, and we will have to paste it over here, so that we may make it transposed, and we may work with it. Okay, so where it has been already changed to the changed its position, and we have the all information, all the data vertical, horizontally. Okay, so what we are going to do is the status of a city, like we are going to find out Sydney city. Select the city. Okay, so what we have over here, we have to select the cities over here, and find population, find order quantity, find order value, and find per capita investment. Okay, so what we are going to do at first, we have to validate the data. Okay, we are going to validate the data, make a list, and we have to find out the source, so that we may easily find out all the cities, and whatever we have over here, we have already listed it. Now we have to find out the city population. Okay, so we population from the table HLOOKUP, we are calling the HLOOKUP function, we are calling the lookup value. So lookup value I have already explained in the previous lecture, so you can go through my previous lecture. This is the value, and you have to validate it with the F10. Okay, so this is not available in every laptop or every computer. Sometimes you have to work manually, so that it could be hanged to this table. Okay, you will have to find out all the information from this table. Okay, so lookup value, beg your pardon, L19. So what we are going to do is we should copy it, and we have to select the city from here. Okay, city from here, and we'll have to look at table array. Okay, we have already selected it, and the row number is the population. Okay, population is in number 2, and we have to give it false for the exact match. Okay, so If this is not found, what we'll do, I will tell you later. So I put enter, and I find out, we find out that this is giving not applicable because there is no information of it. Okay, so if we want to find out Brisbane, okay, so Brisbane has been given over here. So Brisbane population information we have got. Now, if we want to find out the next find order quantity of Brisbane, okay, if we want to select Brisbane, so HLOOKUP, we will have to call the HLOOKUP function. We will have to call the Brisbane. Okay, so you have to relate it with the F10 again, and you have to put a comma. You have to select the table. You have to select the row index number. What is the row index number? So here the order quantity is 1 2 3, so we have to put number 3, and we have to select the false for the exact match. Okay, so this is the result of it. So if we go through the Brisbane, it's 21,599. Okay, so now let us find out H lookup. Okay, and we have to find out the lookup value. What is lookup value? That is city. Okay, city, we have to select it, and we have to look for the table, and we have to validate it, and we have to find out the row. Row number is number 4. Okay, and fact to fact is 0. Okay, so 0, we are putting it over here, so the result is 50. Result we have already find out over here. Okay, now let's find out per capita. Okay, per capita investment is same as H lookup, and we have to find the lookup value of the Brisbane, and find the table array, and finally we will have to put the number 5, and the range lookup is false. Okay, so we have to close the bracket and enter it. So we can find out 2.268. Okay, now what if if we have to select the Adelaide, and now we can find out all the information of all the cities. Okay, what if we don't have any here? Okay, so in that case, what you have to do is you have to put the if error. Okay, if error, if error function, and you have to close the bracket in everywhere. uh, if error function, and you have to close it. You have entered to view for this function. Okay, what if your value is error? Okay, so no, and we have to put the first inverted comma, which is no value. Okay, no value, where so we it will give us no value information. If error shown, you don't have any information, you don't have anything to show over here, you have selected somewhere else, and you will have to find out the value, and where does that value which does not exist in this area, in these table areas. Okay, and you have to find out the population, and you cannot find it. So instead of NA, you have to write the no value. You have to use the function of if error. So this is today's lecture at the end, and I would like you to subscribe my channel and put your comment below, so that I may understand what is your expectation from this channel and what you'd like to learn from me. So thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.